Hi friends, welcome back. This is unboxing video of Watson BLK22 replacement battery for Panasonic S5, SY2, SY2X, GH6 and GH7. This battery is a third party, but it works well as a replacement, and it has about 2200 mAh, so it works for longer time than the earlier battery BLK19, which is used for earlier versions of the cameras. And this one has both pins for older version compatibility like GH5, and it is also compatible with the latest versions because it has got pins in the side or at the bottom. Thanks.